Hello Unicorn Riders, today in Linear Dynamic Garage I am going to show you how to replace the right hand side switch set of your Unicorn. My name is Leander Dominic, let's get started. Before we get started, make sure you like my video and subscribe my channel. Tools required to replace the right hand switch set of Honda Unicorn are 8mm spanner, cotton waste, 14mm size spanner, screwdriver. If your tools are ready, then let's get started. Step 1. Remove the plug inside the headlamp. To remove the plug inside the headlamp, first we have to remove the headlamp. For that we have to unscrew 3 screws, 2 on either side and 1 at the bottom of the lamp. Then you take out and unplug the headlamp connection if necessary. Then you remove the belt that hold the wire with the handle. Then you find the plug by following the trail of the wire. Step 2. Remove the acceleration cable. To remove the acceleration cable, first we have to open the lock nut. Then we open the switch set. There are 2 different sizes of screw in the switch set. The longer one is close to the starter switch and shorter one is near the acceleration cable. We remove the screws so we can remove the cap of the switch set. The acceleration cable is in tension. At the other end of the acceleration cable, we shall release it from the carburetor. Back at the top, now we can remove the acceleration cable. Step 3. Remove the brake light connection. Lastly, we have to remove the brake light connection and remove the damaged switch. Step 4. Clean the parts. Before placing the new switch set, we shall clean the parts and surface. Step 5. Place the new switch set. To place the switch set, we will go in the reverse process. First, we insert the acceleration cable. Then connect the other end of the acceleration cable to the carburetor and check the working of the acceleration cable. Then we close the side panel cover. Then we connect the brake light terminals. Step 6. Tightening and checking. Now we tighten the nuts and screw and check the switches. Step 7. Placing back the headlamp. When all the connections are completed, we close the headlamp. That's how to replace the new switch set of Honda Unicorn. Hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, share my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.